to an episode of Just Landed. We're going to be checking out this brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you haven't already watched our unboxing video, do check that out. And in this video, we're going to jump straight into the first boot of the device. So in front of us, we have the beautiful Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and this is in the titanium black color. Design wise, you can see that it's a monolithic rectangular block, flat screen in front. So let's go ahead and power it up. First off is the Samsung Galaxy screen. It says powered by Knox. This is their security functionality. Powered by Android because it is an Android phone, and now the phone is starting up. The first screen is a welcome screen, so this says welcome in various different languages. We're gonna click start. First selection is to select the language, so we're gonna select English, hit next. And now it's asking about connecting to a mobile network. Now there is no SIM card in this device, so we're gonna keep this off for now and skip. We do need to select a few things such as agreeing to license and terms. We can send diagnostic data, which is optional, so let's select that. Agree. And now we're being asked if we want to copy information from another device. So for easy setup, we could copy information from a previous Galaxy device, another Android device, an iPhone, an iPad, etc. But for the sake of this video, we're going to set it up manually. And now it's asking to connect to a Wi-Fi network. So we're going to connect to one of the Wi-Fi networks in the studio. Now it's connected and it's preparing the mobile connection. It's again asking about connecting to a mobile network, a SIM card, etc. So we're gonna set this up later. Now you have the option to copy apps from your previous phone or device. We're gonna skip this stage. So we're not copying apps. And now we need to sign into our Google account. Now that we've signed into our account, it's just asking about adding a phone number, which we're going to skip at this point. A welcome message from Google. A quick update on Google services such as device backup using location, scanning for Wi-Fi, sending usage diagnostics, and installation of apps. So of course we agree to all of that. And now at this point you can set up to protect your phone. So you could either use face recognition, fingerprints, etc. Now if you do select fingerprint scan, you will need to set up a PIN or something else first. So let's put in a PIN. Now that the PIN is set up, we need to register a fingerprint. So you need to try a few different options until it has it well secured. You could add additional fingers, but we're going to skip that for now. So you have a few options to configure if it's always on, etc. And now you have options for setting up Google Assistant, which you can bring up by saying, hey Google. We're going to skip this for now, but this is pretty similar to most Android devices. And now this is for setting up a Samsung account. We're going to skip that as well, which you have the option to do later, but it does inform you that if you do not set up your Samsung account, several of the Samsung apps such as the Health app, etc. are not going to be able to work. You do have to agree to Samsung's legal terms and services. So this is the mandatory permissions that you do need to give them. And then you have the option of a light theme or a dark theme. So for the purpose of this test, let's go ahead and do a dark theme. And that's it, we're all set up. So now you see the dark theme, you see the weather here. The weather has asked you about agreeing to local weather and picking that up based on your location. With this nice little animation. It is raining outside. You do have a whole set of Google apps which are pre-installed. You do have some Microsoft apps pre-installed as well. So you have 2 desktops by default, and of course a Google feed. So the Google feed pulls from the kind of data you usually access and watch. So I can see that it's already pulled up a lot of my usual information. There is also a quick navigation menu on the side, so you can add shortcuts that you use regularly. Of course, there's the notification tray, and it's already completing some setup and installing some apps. The one last thing that we will do is let's take a quick look at the About phone. So you see that it says that it's a Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now that is the name of the phone when you're on Bluetooth, etc. You could edit that and change it to something else that has your model number, serial number, etc. So that's pretty much it in terms of our first boot experience. Do get subscribed to catch our detailed deep dive video. So in that, we're going to take this phone outdoors, use it outdoors, try out some different apps on it, and give you a full experience of what the phone is like. And most importantly, also check out how these cameras do. Thank you for watching. Do like and share this with your friends, and see you in the next one.